In robotic programming systems, electronic control equipment acts as the control center of the robot. It receives information from sensors, processes that information, and controls outputs such as motors, lights, displays, and alarms. One of the most commonly used electronic control platforms in robotics education is Arduino. Arduino is popular because it is easy to use, affordable, and effective for controlling robotic systems. Arduino is an open-source electronic control platform used to build and program robotic and automated systems. It allows students and engineers to read data from sensors, make decisions based on programmed instructions, control electronic devices and robot movements. In simple terms, Arduino is the brain of a robot. Arduino functions as electronic control equipment by performing three basic tasks: input control, processing and control, and output control. Input control receives signals from sensors such as light sensors, temperature sensors, gas and smoke sensors, push buttons, and switches. Processing and control analyzes the input signals and decides what action the robot should take based on programmed logic. Output control sends control signals to motors and servo motors, LEDs and buzzers, LCD or LED displays, relays, and alarms. This process allows robots to sense, think, and act. An Arduino board is made up of important electronic parts that allow it to control a robot. The microcontroller is the main processing unit that runs the robot's instructions. Input and output pins are used to connect sensors and actuators. Analog input pins read varying signals like light or temperature. Power pins supply electrical power to sensors and modules. The USB connector is used for programming and power. The voltage regulator protects the board by maintaining a stable voltage. Arduino hardware allows robots to control movement accurately, respond to sensor changes in real time, operate motors and electronic devices safely, and interface with external modules and components. Arduino utilizes specialized software that enables users to write and upload instructions to the board. Key features of Arduino software: simple and easy-to-learn interface, uses a beginner-friendly programming language, supports many ready-made libraries for sensors and motors, and allows testing and troubleshooting through monitoring tools. The software acts as the communication link between the user and the electronic control hardware. Arduino has several characteristics that make it suitable for robotic programming systems. Open source, freely available designs and software encourage learning, modification, and sharing. User-friendly, designed for beginners and students with minimal technical barriers to learning. Flexible, can be used in small or complex robotic projects, compatible with many sensors and electronic modules. Real-time operation, responds immediately to sensor inputs, essential for robotic control and automation. Cost-effective, affordable for schools and laboratories, ideal for hands-on learning. Different Arduino boards are available depending on the robotic application. Arduino Uno, most commonly used board, ideal for beginners and basic robotic systems. Arduino Nano, small and compact, suitable for space-limited robot designs. Arduino Mega, large number of input/output pins, used for advanced robots with many components. Arduino Leonardo, can interact directly with computers, useful for control interfaces and input devices. Arduino Do, high-performance board, used in advanced and industrial-level projects. Arduino is widely used in robotics to control robot motion, read and process sensor data, execute automated tasks, implement a safety and alarm system, and enable communication between devices. It serves as the central electronic control unit, connecting software instructions to physical robot actions. Electronic control equipment is essential in robotic programming systems. Arduino is a widely used electronic control platform. It combines hardware, software, and open-source features. Arduino is easy to use, flexible, and affordable. Different Arduino variants support different robotic applications.